As you might already know, TikTok found a way to track your location, even if you're using a VPN and already had your SIM card removed. Many people got affected by this, and not being able to have a For You page and an audience different from your region has a lot of disadvantages. This is why I'm going to show you how I fixed the problem for myself, and hopefully you can too. Personally, I have two phones, one which it has my SIM card in it and I use only for calls, and an iPhone which I use without a SIM card for everything else, including TikTok. I am saying this because by having two phones, I found the easiest and fastest way of fixing the problem without worrying about my phone data being erased. Fixing the problem the way I did it includes resetting your phone and opening a new iCloud account. But keep in mind that it might as well work without having to create a new iCloud. I just didn't waste time trying, since I have two phones and don't mind erasing all my data or changing iCloud accounts. I also didn't try it on an Android, but I'm sure it will work the same way it does for iOS devices. Now I'm going to show you how to fix the problem the way I did it. The first thing you have to do is reset your phone by following these steps. Once you have reset your phone, you will be asked to sign in or sign up to an iCloud account. Now in this new account, you will be asked for your information like country and address. You have to fill that info with fake information. Personally, I put in a US street address and zip code, and all the other info except my name and birthday is fake USA information. After you're done with creating your iCloud, go and download a VPN app. Also make sure to keep all your automatic updates off, especially software update, because if your phone downloads updates while you are not connected to a VPN, TikTok can track that and you will have to do all of this again. Now all it's left to do is download TikTok and you're good to go. One more tip from me is to avoid turning on your location or connecting to the internet from a SIM card provider, as TikTok can track both of them and find out your real location. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to ask in the comments or contact me on my socials linked in the description.